Today we're going to talk about lighting solutions. Are you looking to integrate a smart photocell into your outdoor luminaire? We're going to show you the kit for the NEMA ANSI kit showing the FLA and FLB series for you to integrate your smart photocell into your luminaire. The NEMA ANSI kit is intended to show all of the solutions that we can support for implementing a smart photocell with Amphenol ICC. It shows FLA and FLB series, including the receptacle with various dimming contact options, the protection cap, intended to protect the receptacle in the absence of the dimming module, the cover domes with two diameter options and heights between 35 up to 130 millimeters, and the dimming module, which is intended to hold your PCB design. Let's take a look at the kit. This is the NEMA ANSI kit. As we can see, we have examples for FLA and FLB series. Within the kit, we will find three receptacle options. The one on the top left is fixed with 4 contact dimming option. On the right side, we will find a rotary receptacle with also 4 contact dimming options. And in the bottom, we will find a toolless receptacle. In the middle is the protective cap that, as I mentioned before, is intended to protect the receptacle in the absence of the dimming module. And finally, we have an example of a dome used to protect the electronic components inside the photocell module. These are just examples, but we can help you on building the part number that better fits to your requirements. That would be all for this video. If you want to know more about our connectors for lighting applications, send us an email and we'll contact you. Thank you.